Hi there, welcome to my channel. I'm Rhonda. So I went shopping for some budget yarn. Want to see where I went and what I got? Come on, let's do this. Hi there, welcome. Creative Crochet with Rhonda. Let's do this. You know, if you watch my channel regularly, I'm all about budget yarn, yarn on sale, discontinued yarn. Wherever I can get yarn for a good dollar, I'm interested. Take me there, and I want to buy some. That's just the way it is. So here I am with not just yarn, but little trinkets of things that I've been interested in. So I'm really interested in showing you. Now, why did I go to this particular store? Because I'm on a crochet, well, I'm on a few crochet groups on Facebook. And there's one particular channel where a woman who works at Your Dollar Store and More here in Canada showed the shelf that she organized with all the yarn at the store she works at. It's called Your Dollar Store and More. And I suppose I've seen it, but whenever I think of dollar stores, I think of Dollarama first and foremost, and Dollar Tree. So this was something new, and it just seemed like there's quite a variety, and I have some video for you to watch. So have a look and see what I saw in that store, and then I'm going to show you what I bought. So when I first walked towards the store, the first thing I thought was, wow, this is a big dollar store. And I was interested to see everything that it had to offer, and there was a lot. Everything from purses to craft materials to bed sheets and shower curtains, everything that you can imagine. So yes, it is more than just a dollar store, true to its name. I noticed that there was a lot of greeting cards and other things that could really come in handy. Like when I went around this next corner, I thought, wow, I've never seen so many gift boxes, which is great because it's different than a gift bag or wrapping paper, and sometimes it just makes that gift a little more special. And there was no shortage of variety of boxes you'll see at the end of the aisle, no shortage of gift bags as well. And as I went through the store, I thought there are so many things for gift wrapping, lots of choices of ribbon, which you'll see in a moment, the curling ribbon, the party supplies. It was quite an impressive selection. Now what you're going to see in a moment, this selection of curling ribbon, I've never seen it displayed like that, and I was quite impressed with how that was organized. I always love putting gift bags together and making them look special. I just think it could make an ordinary gift have that extra pizzazz, which makes it exciting to open. And you'll see here lots of candles and all types of party accessories. Quite fun. I would definitely go to the store if I were planning a party. You can see this Easter stuff. This was like a whole aisle double of Easter things, and look at all these eggs. I've never seen so many Easter eggs. So yeah, that was fun. It was fun looking at all of these cute things for Easter. And there were other aisles for different holidays like St. Patrick's Day, Valentine's Day. So a lot to choose from for the different holidays. It was fun. So here I am approaching a section with an impressive variety of craft supplies and also stickers and other types of things for crafters. I thought the variety was fun and interesting, lots of choices. I really enjoyed checking it out and deciding on things that I might find useful. or fun to use that I'd like to purchase. And I'm approaching some really cute buttons. And if you've seen past videos of mine, you'll know that I love buttons, and these are no exception. I've always been interested in these cute types of buttons. They could be used for a variety of purposes and so much fun for little kids. So I spend a bit of time looking at these. Look how cute, little dogs. So much fun. I really thought these charms were so cool. A little large. I'm sure they have a purpose, but when I think of charms, I think of stitch markers. I've seen people making stitch markers, and I thought it'd be fun to try. Those were like for earrings, but I was more interested in seeing what I could use to try my hand at some stitch markers. And they had a small selection of charms. So you can see the huge variety of craft options. You can go into a store like this and get ideas for yourself, for your children, grandchildren, just a lot of fun. So where is that yarn already? Oh, of course, you know I'm going to find the yarn. Look at the way these colors are organized. It is all, I think, one or two types of yarn that's off-brand. Such nice colors, and I had to make a decision about what color choices I wanted. There were solids and there was some variegated at the bottom that you'll see. This is 100% acrylic yarn, and it seems like it's pretty good. It's a smallish type of skein, but $2 each and lots of color choices. So you can see me taking a look at exactly what this yarn is like, but I'm going to show you in a moment what I bought. But you can see the variegated choices at the bottom and all of those bright solid colors. Really nice, really nicely organized. So I was quite impressed with that. I hope you enjoyed that little shopping trip. Not just yarn, obviously, and not just a dollar store. My first feeling was when I went in was, wow, this is huge, and there's such a large variety of things. The quantity of craft items, the variety was probably second to none. There was a lot of things in the store. In terms of the price, I found it for a dollar store kind of average. Nothing really that stood out as a huge wonderful value, but the variety was great. So here's my bag of goodies that I got, not just yarn. Let's have a look. So let's start with maybe the stuff that's not yarn. So I bought a couple pair of these scissors, and I thought that's a good deal. The scissors were $1.50. That was a good deal, and they're nice. I bought a pair for myself. Where are they? I bought a pair in red and yellow, and I like them. I tried them. They work well, so we always need scissors. Very important to have. I bought some other things that I've been interested in, and I made this little stitch marker. It's attached to something now, but isn't that cute? It actually feels really nice. I love the varying colors in that leaf. And I was always curious about making stitch markers. I see people on YouTube, they've made them or selling them on Etsy, and I just thought it'd be a cute, fun thing to do. So I didn't find a lot in there, and I've since made another order on AliExpress, hoping that it will be good. And I'll show you the things that I did buy to make stitch markers at this particular dollar store. Okay, so you saw my stitch marker. I thought this was a good deal, $2.50 for 5 pieces. So look at the colors. I just love how they look. And they actually feel really substantial. They're not junky feeling. They have a nice weight to them. And then of course we need some lobster claws and jump rings. So the jump rings were $1 and the lobster claws were $2. So that'll get me started. I'm not going to go into it as a full-fledged hobby, but I'd like to try my hand at some of them. I bought this wire, which I haven't tried yet, beading and jewelry wire. I thought I do have a nice selection of beads, so I thought I could try to make my own unique stitch marker. So I've got that, and I'm waiting on some other items from AliExpress that I could probably use this wire with. And of course, I need these long round nose pliers, because in order to open those little jump rings and put it back together again, this is good to have. I tried them out, they worked well, and these were $5. And it seems like a good quality pair, so I was happy with that. And last, I bought these wood letter beads. I thought, I've seen people make stitch markers where sometimes you have more than one project on the go and you can't remember which hook you used. So I think there might be some letters in here that would correspond with the hook size, which helps you remember what hook size you used and makes it easier to continue, because there's nothing worse than going back to a project and not remembering what hook size you used. So these were $1.50 as well, and I thought they were pretty. They're wood. So that's that for the stitch marker products that I bought. Then I saw quite a selection of the cutest buttons, and I do like to have a variety of buttons on hand, especially when making children's items. I'm just going to collect them. I bought 2 bags of those beads. Okay, so I've got my buttons to show you. So first I bought these. I thought they were cute. They were $2, and I thought they were adorable, and they could be used for little sweaters, or they could be used just as little decoration. Sometimes I like to make headbands for babies, and these would be cute for the center of a flower that I put onto it. So they can be used for various things. I like the patterns and the colors, and that was $2. I don't remember, I'm in Canada. These are all Canadian funds. Now these buttons were a little more pricey, but I just have a soft spot for these really cute novelty buttons. Here are some kitties for $3. Isn't that cute? I just love those. And I could picture them on a little sweater, or, you know, these are nice for accessories too. If you make a tote bag, you could just put one on just as an embellishment. So they have different purposes. So that, and then have cats, gotta have dogs. So cute. And then there's these. Now these were actually pretty pricey because there's only 4 pieces for $3, but look how cute that is. Little ice creams. And I thought that would be really cute on a little girl's garment or a tote bag. Just a lot of fun. So that's that for all the little novelty things I bought, the accessories, stitch marker things, and then I bought some yarn. Now, as you saw, there was quite a variety of colors, and trying to coordinate colors was fun because I thought I'm going to put together something that these colors can be used together, and there were a variety of colors, so I had to pick and choose. And so this is what I went with. I went with some black, and this is soft knitting yarn. I wouldn't say it's the softest. It's $2 a skein. It is a 50-gram skein, 1.75 ounce. Let's see what other information I can find. The recommended hook size is 4.5 millimeter. It is 100% acrylic, machine washable and dryable. Makes it very practical if you don't like to hand wash. It is made in China but distributed to a company in Montreal, Quebec called Mac Sales. And there is a website for Cymax sales. I don't know if you can see that. It's really tiny. I might check it out because I'm wondering what else they might sell. So I bought the black, and a lot of people don't like to crochet with black because it's a little bit harder to see, but I thought it coordinated nicely with a couple of other colors that I saw, one being a purple, really bright purple, and then this variegated purple. And I thought, what a nice item that could make, whether it's hat, scarf, children's sweater. I just thought that was really nice. So I bought, I think it was 3 of each. Yes, so I bought 3 of each color. So 3 of the variegated, 3 of the black, and 3 of the purple. So that'll make something nice, I thought. And I'll just put 3 of them together again. So I think that's really pretty, and I like purple. I don't know if that's a common thing. I think purple is a popular color, but I like how that looks together. So that was my experience with this particular dollar store. A lot to be found there. Pricing was some great, some sort of average, but fun to shop at. And watch for a video because I'm going to compare the $3 stores, look at some of the yarn I bought, and I'm going to give you my opinion regarding which dollar store yarn is my favorite and why, and I'll show you some examples of the yarn that I've got. Now, obviously, I didn't purchase all of the yarn, so I may not have some of the varieties available in those stores, but I can show you the types of yarns that are available in those stores and which ones I prefer and what I recommend. So that's it for now. I hope that you're having fun with shopping for yarn or creating magic with your yarn. But whatever you're doing, have a great day, and I will see you soon. Bye for now.